For RCRtv, I'm Sean Kenny, and I'm hanging out today with Alvin Francis of EXFO. Alvin, could you please tell us a little bit about the company and your role with it?
Hi, Sean. Definitely. EXFO is a telecommunication test, measurement, and service assurance company. We have a number of different products covering a wide range of application and services that we offer to our customers, who are the network equipment manufacturers and the network operators that are rolling out new network and services to allow them to validate those network and applications before they are actually deployed. And once they are deployed, be able to monitor the services to ensure that they're delivering a high quality of customer experience.
Okay, Alvin, go ahead.
My responsibility here at EXFO covers the wireless business unit. I'm director of the wireless business unit, where we have a number of different product lines that are focused on wireless.
All right, Alvin, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about EXFO's work in the analytics-driven troubleshooting space. So could you please explain to us what analytics-driven troubleshooting is and how it differs from traditional troubleshooting?
Sure, Sean. I think a good way to explain is to first start with traditional troubleshooting, and I'll set the basis to discuss and describe analytics-driven troubleshooting. So today, if you look at traditional troubleshooting, the way that the network engineers are troubleshooting the networks, it's typically driven by the need to solve all of the protocol errors, the network issues that could or could not impact the quality of customer experience. So a typical network engineer would probably look at his dashboard, his troubleshooting dashboard, and he may see a number of technical issues that he believes should be solved. In the past, because of the types of network and the amount of traffic in the network, then that is probably feasible. But as we move forward into the next generation of networks, for example, in 4G and eventually into 5G, where we have a large number of subscribers, a lot of different applications and services, then the number of technical issues that you will see on the network will definitely increase. So it's not feasible anymore for a network engineer to attempt to solve all of those technical issues. What analytics-driven troubleshooting provides our customers, which are the network operators, is to approach the troubleshooting from the perspective of the issues that will have the greatest impact on the bottom line, or the issues that will have the greatest impact on the customer experience. So that means they start troubleshooting from looking at it from a customer experience, or maybe looking at it from the most valuable customers. So, you know, they're not trying to solve all the technical issues on the network, but they're trying to solve the technical issues that will greatly impact the customer experience.
Okay, and Alvin, you mentioned that this is important as network operators evolve their technology and look ahead to 5G and new types of customer services. What about voice over LTE? Can analytics-driven troubleshooting help as carriers deploy voice over LTE?
Definitely, because the operator, for example, deploying VoLTE may want to look at the customer experience for those customers that are actually using the VoLTE service. So they may look at it from the subscriber experience in VoLTE, and based on that, decide whether or not they need to troubleshoot the network. So that's a key component for VoLTE, because as you can understand, is that the VoLTE is a bit different than the traditional applications like data services. So they need to be paying special attention on the VoLTE services so that they can ensure that the customers are going to be very satisfied with the service that they're rolling out.
All right, Alvin, and I know EXFO is going to have a big presence at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona next month. Can you give me an idea of what sort of solutions are going to be showcased?
Sure. At Mobile World Congress, we'll have a number of different solutions. We'll have a number of display stations, and at every display station, we'll have a specific theme. So we'll have a display station where we'll be showcasing our analytics-driven troubleshooting capabilities. We'll have a workstation where we'll be displaying our capabilities to ensure the reliability and the capacity and performance of network infrastructures to support VoLTE services. We'll have some applications on Wi-Fi and small cells. We'll also have some applications on NFV, for example. So we were looking at the whole virtualization story and what role EXFO will be playing in that virtualization story.
Excellent, Alvin. Well, we really look forward to seeing all the things that EXFO is going to bring to Mobile World Congress next month, and I want to thank you for hanging out with RCR TV today.
Thank you very much, Sean. Have a great day.